I have two 1999 Trane XB 1000 units that need to be replaced. One has serial number P421F2F. How many tons are these units, and what is the equivalent replacement unit?
Did you double-check the thermostat? And what about the unit's filters?
Yes. I had a technician out to tell me the compressor, or condenser, was grounded and the unit needs to be replaced. I'm just doing some research to determine cost, since he had to send someone else out to quote me.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
No.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I'm just trying to determine what are the least expensive way to replace these units, since the home is on the market. I have 4 units, and these 2 are for the first and second floors. The house is large, 12,000 square feet. The model number of the unit is TTB060D100AD.
Hello, I am a retired mechanical engineer with 56 years in this business. I will go in depth with you, and up to a 6-hour time limit. All I ask is please select the rating link at the top of your page before leaving. That is the only way I am credited through the site. Rating does not affect your charges nor ability to refund if not satisfied. If you can agree to that, let's continue by all mea NS. Those are 5-ton rated systems, 12,000 BTU/ton. 5 tons equals 60,000 BTU per hour. Those the 060 in the model number. There are a wide range of equivalent replacement units. I will post a few here in a few minutes. The Trane XB 1000 is their lowest efficiency rated at 10.0 SEER. Most systems sold today are 14 SEER and are 30 to 50% more efficient depending on the climate. 13 SEER is the minimum efficiency allowed in most building code jurisdictions. If you are at a hot and humid environment, it will be a good idea to get a 15 SEER or higher system. If you want the lowest possible sound levels, it will be a good idea to get Trane's new 18 SEER system. That will also cost about 50% less to operate than your old 10 SEER system. Let me know your range of preferences and the local climate, and I will recommend a system for you.
Thanks, Phil. This is great information. I live in the Chicago suburbs, and I will probably get something in the 15 to 18 SEER range. The house is on the market, and I would like to spend less up front, and I don't care much about the savings over time. My wife says quiet is very important.
Thanks. In that case, you will need Trane's lowest efficiency unit at 14 SEER plus model https://www.trane.com/content/dam/train/commercial/global/product system/equipment/unitary/split system/small %20 split/air%20 conditioners/4TTR4%20XR14. PDF. You will need the last item there. List the 060L model, 5 tons nominal. Stay in touch as needed. When you have all that you need, please select the Finish and Rate Your Expert link near the top of your page to close the question. I will appreciate it.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.